You won't believe that these thumbnails are entirely generated by AI in few minutes. And you can do this too just by watching this video completely. And everything I have mentioned in this video is for free. First, open the Chrome browser and go to YouTube to download a thumbnail. So I will open YouTube and here I will search for Mr. Beast, and I will download this thumbnail. You can download any one you want. You can download it by copying its link or simply take a screenshot. Again, open a new tab in the Chrome and search for Image to Prompt and click on the first site. Here you will see this interface. Just click on Image to Prompt and you will be redirected to main page. Here click on this tab Upload. The image and your prompt to image will be ready. Now here are 3 prompts, but you have to click on the third prompt and it will be copied. As you copied it, open new tab and search for Ideogram. Open the first site. Paste the prompt that you copied and simply click on Generate. In few seconds, your thumbnails will be ready. As you can see, the thumbnails are ready, and you can download any one you like. So now you can make every kind of thumbnail by the help of AI in just a few minutes. And all the process is completely free.
If you enjoyed watching the video or it was helpful to you by any means. So please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay tuned for the next update. See you in the next video.